The French Air and Space Force has announced that the Rafale F4.1 fighter aircraft has completed its first alert sorties, proving its operational readiness. The Rafale F4.1 standard is the initial stage of a three-part enhancement process. The Rafale F4.1 will have enhanced interoperability with other systems through introduction of new intra-patrol and satellite links, communication servers and software radio aimed at bolstering connectivity on the modern battlefield. Islamic resistance group Hezbollah claimed it had shot down an Israeli drone with a surface-to-air missile. The drone was seen falling in flames 20 kilometers away from the border between Lebanon and Israel. INS Sandhyak survey vessel was commissioned into the Indian Navy at the Naval Dockyard Visakhapatnam. It is equipped with Kongsberg HUGIN AUV, which is multi-role vehicle capable of collecting high-resolution data for commercial, scientific and defense applications. Azerbaijan finalized an agreement with Serbia for the purchase of 48 Nora B-52 self-propelled howitzers of 155 mm in a deal valued at $339 million. This acquisition is part of Azerbaijan's strategy to modernize its military arsenal.